Hi everyone, my name is Joe Anastasio. I'm the Associate Principal at Old Saybrook High School, and today I'm here to talk to you a little bit about those personal kits you've been hearing. Here they are, students, in an official RAM sling bag. Inside you'll find notebooks, pencils, markers, various school supplies. You can even bring your own school supplies, but they have to go inside that bag. And the idea about that is everyone has their own, so that it limits cross-contamination. In the event school closes, you'll also be able to grab the kit and take it with you. And they fit inside your backpacks. I want to thank you for watching the video, and you'll be receiving these bags on the first day of school when you return. Ram Pride!